Hello, Conan. My name is Tim Blasius, and I'm a physicist that got his undergrad degree from the University of Michigan, and now I'm in a PhD program at Caltech. And I couldn't help but notice a physics error you made on last Tuesday's show when you claimed to have an assistant perform the world's shortest free fall. You claimed that your assistant fell 4 inches in 6/1000ths of a second. And I'm here to derive for you that is physically impossible. Okay? So we can solve we know the acceleration of your system, which is of course the second derivative with respect to time of position, was g, which is the acceleration due to gravity at the Earth's surface. That we can integrate to get velocity, and that happens to be g times time. And then we can integrate that to get position, which is 1/2 gt squared. So in order to solve for time, all we need to know is g and the distance that he fell. You claimed that he fell 4 inches. Well, let's convert that into metric, which may be a useful calculation for you if you ever want to update your European porn resume. Okay, so 4 inches is 0.1 meters. And then I know that g is 9.8 meters per second squared, approximately. And so then we can solve for t, and I find that 0.14 seconds. Okay, you claimed it was 6/1000ths of a second. That means you were off by a factor of 24. Now I realize that in your world, it may be normal for things to happen 24 times faster than expected in the bedroom. Okay, but this is fundamental physics. Okay, in fact, Conan, if I assume that you were correct, and that your assistant really did fall 4 inches in 6/1000ths of a second, then I can calculate the velocity with which he struck the ground. I can get his real acceleration, and then I can get his velocity when he hit the ground. And he would have hit the ground at 75 miles an hour. Enough to kill a man. So Conan, either you could admit that you were wrong, or we all witnessed a manslaughter.